Hi everyone, this is Jeff Halley. Welcome to Life Mastery Partners channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a YouTube channel. First, why we need to create a channel? To make money online, it became a must. Now, YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world. It's a powerful medium to build your fan base, and also once you reach 1k subscriber plus 4000 watch hours, you can earn from YouTube ads. Let me show you how to create our own channel. Go to youtube.com and sign in using your Gmail account. Now I am using my Gmail account to sign in. Enter your password. This you can ignore. Once you signed in, at the top right corner on this icon, you can see Create Channel option. Once you click on it, click on Get Started to create our channel. Here you can see two options. One, use your name, the other one is use a custom name. I am selecting the custom name option. So this is where you need to give your name for your channel. For demo purpose, I am going to give as my YouTube channel. You can give any name you want. Once give the channel name, you can click on the checkbox and click on Create. Hooray! Our channel has been created. Now it is the time to upload a profile picture for our channel. Click on Upload Picture. Select a picture. Click Open. Let's say if you don't like the picture, if you want to replace, you can do by clicking on Replace option and changing the image. The next thing is channel description. So for demo purpose, I am just giving this is my YouTube channel. You can give your own good and brief description for your channel. The next section is add links to your sites. This is where you can add links to your social media accounts and your blog or website. Here I am going to give my website and social media account links. Then click on Save and Continue. Now we are going to see uploading video to YouTube. Once we create our channel, we need to upload our video to YouTube. To upload a video, you can click on the icon which is on the top right corner, go to YouTube Studio, and click on Create. This is what our channel dashboard. Once you create, then select the files and select the video which you want to upload. By default, it takes our file name as headline. If you want, you can change it. The next section is description. I am going to copy and paste the description which I already typed out. In the description, you can have your other blog post links and also your social media accounts. After that, you need to upload a thumbnail. Click on upload thumbnail, select the thumbnail which you created. I don't want to use these default thumbnails. And now I am selecting the playlist. I already have a playlist called affiliate marketing, so I am selecting that one. In the audience section, I am selecting no, it is not made for kids. And in the paid promotion, I am not selecting it because it is not a paid promotion. It's a very important section, that is tags. To find related tags, you can go to keyword tool, copy the headline and paste it here and click on search. It will list the related keywords. Now we have got only 2 keywords. So I am going to remove the affiliate from the keyword and I am going to perform the search again. Now it shows many related keywords. Just copy them to the clipboard and paste it in the tag section. Click on next. If you want, you can add an end screen or art cards. This is a useful thing. So now I'm not doing it. Click on next. Then click on public. Finally, we are going to publish our video by clicking on publish button. So our video is published. So this is what our video link. If you want to embed our video to a blog, you can copy this embedded code and paste it in your blog. That's it guys for today's. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe to my channel.